All right, hola, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, subscribe for some more impromptu tool videos. We got so I went to Lowe's. You guys caught my a video before where I found the mod box for $99. Great. There's a storm coming, a lot of lightning in front of me. That was a great deal because I needed to finish up the setup in the back as far as like just the easiest access that I could do for, what I like is reaching in and being able to open, like I've gone to a lot of drawers in the van, particularly from Klein now and Milwaukee and Tough Built. They each have different kinds of drawers that I need to utilize. I ordered an adapter. Once that comes in, I'll do a follow-up for that. And I can give you then a van tour, actually van update, to show the new stuff that I put in. I think right now it is pretty perfect. In today's video, we're gonna get into something else that I stumbled upon while there. I thought it was a pretty good deal. Stop me if you've heard this one before, but this is the 65400KNECT from Klein. Basically, I was telling my dad that he needs to try these pass-through wrenches from Klein, and I was like, I'll get you the one with all the standard sizes. I have a smaller kit, and it only goes up to 9/16, I believe. Yeah, so that's good for me, and it had 11/32. Stuff that I see in the field. Now, my dad does hot food, if you don't know. So steamers, he was working on ovens. It was a steamer that he was working on, actually changing out an element. And the thing is, he needed an 11/16. I was like, I don't even have that. Let me go grab you one, right? So I think they managed to finish a job, had to use adjustable wrenches. And I was like, oh, I can get you this one, because there was a stub at the end. You had to put it in. Comes out through the back of the steamer, then that's where you tighten it up. And the spacing is horrible. If you guys know anything about like fryers, ovens, steamers, stuff like that, horrible. So I was like, no, I need to get you I need to update your tools. So we went and got this. I'm gonna do a quick overview. Maybe you guys are interested in this one too. You got all of these in the back, because I think I paid $50 for mine, and then I saw the one I was going to pick them up was like $65. This was $95. Those two only carried standard sizes. This one has all your standard metric and adapters, 1/4-inch bits, and the actual screwdriver, because I was like, oh yeah, if you can get the screwdriver too, you can get like a little nut driver set out of this as well. So pass-through wrench, standard and metric, nut driver, all in one. All right, so here's a closer look just so I can show you guys. I wish this was a little bit easier to open. You need two hands to open that. This is the wrench that I think he'll get some good use out of. I have the smaller version on me. Yeah, we have the large. This is the one that I carry in my bag. So this one's a lot easier if you're looking to keep the weight light or compact in your tool bag. And that's obviously a lot bigger. This is a kit. I'll link this one as well. I'm not even sure if it's written on here, but you get some of the same stuff. This one, actually, this one had the I think it came in there. The screwdriver, some flip bits. This was kind of the set that I bought the second time, and I wanted 11/32, and these smaller sizes, like I said, 9/16 to 1/4 right here, and it takes bits as well. So this is a kit that I had. But the cool thing is, I was telling my dad, if you get one of these pass-through wrenches, not only can you go, and this one, I know I showed the box, but here you can see all the sizes, a 1/4-inch, everything basically in between all the way to 3/4. So he needed 11/16 for that particular unit that he worked on. Plus you get the benefit if we ever run into metric 8 all the way to 17. Then you also get these adapters. Now this has a different set of adapters, but this is obviously the screwdriver here. You can use this to use these as like nut drivers. So if you set all that up, now you have a 5/8 with a deep pass through that goes all the way to the end of the handle. Actually, this one has it open. So the one I had doesn't go all the way through it. It's only on this bigger set. I forgot. You can actually go all the way through the handle and you have that set right there. You can also use this 1/4 inch that has a magnet in it. So you put that on there. This is the only one that would not be passed through, but you can use adapters, but this is more for your impact right here. But you can use some of these 1/4 inch bits, right? So you put those in there and you have basically all the screwdriver accessories you would need. You can also use an extension here. Again, these are meant for like impacts and other screwdrivers that you might have, but you have, you know, these adapters in this case. You also have this one here. That way you can use all your 3/8 sockets that you might have as well. And again, this is just, I'm showing it with the handle, but what's really cool is the wrench part. So you can lock all of these in there or just go straight to a different size, like that one that we would have needed there. Snap that in, and that is your pass-through wrench. This is your on and off here. I really enjoy this set on the smaller scale. So if you guys were looking into one that maybe needed all of these up to 11/16, 3/8, and metric, this is a cool one to have. Again, I bought it for my dad. I'm gonna go drop it off to him for the, you know, the calls that he has. I'm looking to upgrade a lot of his tools at the moment because he is somebody that just, you know, uses what he got and doesn't like to update too much. Prefers if the rest of us, buy for ourselves, and you know, he stays with all the old stuff. So just wanted to give him a little update on some of the tools that he uses. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have not seen this kit, I think it's pretty good for, I want to say it was $99, not $95. $99, the 65400KNECT set. I think this has almost everything you would need for pass-through, like using this on bolts, using it as a nut driver, all that kind of stuff. And you get that mod box compatibility if you guys are into that. So check it out. I'll leave links down below. If you guys enjoyed the video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you guys.